Rightio, well it's Tuesday morning in the WGIA camp and we've hit the ground running again. We've gone through, built another round of electronic dog release solenoids. And I'll show you a look at a few features, guys. So we've now designed a plug and play wiring harness. So as we keep evolving, we keep making things bigger, better and more simpler. So this is easy to install. All you do is hook your power and earth up to your battery, mount your button in the cab and plug it in. Comes with a cable gland, so if you want to run your wires through the cab, you can put this in the back of the cab of your vehicle so that your wires are waterproof. It's got the stickers on the wires and we'll even have a manual. All you'll need to know is which wire plugs into the Deutsch plug, and then you put your cap inside and you're done. So we got better production lines, better testing systems. So we test each wiring harness, we test each dog release as we go. So these are fully plug and play. It's so simple. So when we first started making them, we supplied relay and the wire and the connectors, and you had to mount the relay and work it all out. Now it's just so simple. So we'll have that up on the website today, guys. We've also got another attachment that'll get up on the website. It's the quick release mount. So it's simply this one part bolts to the headboard of your cab of your vehicle. You can buy as many of these as you want. So if you just say you've got a buggy and a ute, you can put one on either vehicle. This part bolts onto the back of your dog solenoid, like so. 4 bolts. Get him around the right way for you. Cameraman see all that good, really good. And then it simply just clips on. So it keeps your parts out of the weather, multiple vehicle use, and gets rid of anyone trying to pinch them off the back of the ute while you're uptown. So that's a quick look at a bit what's going on in the shed this morning. We'll go back down to the fabrication room. We'll show you a look at what's going on down in there. Too easy, guys. Thank you.